How to sign in Bell email account. Hello everybody. In order to do so, you may follow up the simple steps. For that, you may open up one of your browser, and then once you open it up, in the search you can go ahead and type in bell.net, and once you go ahead and type in that, it will directly open you this website right here, which is webmail.bell.net, and you will be finding this interface right here. So in order to sign in, all you gotta do is we have this option of entering up our email address and password. So we have these two fields available. Now all you gotta do is simply enter up your full Bell email address in this email address section, and right below it, you need to enter your associated password with your account. Once that is done, you can look out for this login option on your screen. Click on the login button and click it, and you should be redirected to your Bell email box. And that's it. That is it for now. You may follow up the same easy steps in order to log in into your Bell email account as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.